Does this happen with you as well when you can't find motivation or you don't know how to stay motivated for a long time? Then you are just like me. I also have the same problem. I don't know how to stay motivated, but in recent times I have come across few steps where I have uncovered how to stay motivated for a long time, and I am following these ways, and I thought that I will share those with you in this video. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel Eat, Live and Love. This is Pipli, and in today's video I would be talking about how to stay motivated. In today's competitive world, our greatest untapped resource may be our own motivation. We don't know how to stay motivated for a long time, especially in these period of crisis when we are facing a pandemic. It's very important to know how to stay motivated for a long time because we are under lockdown, or we don't have to go to work every day. Maybe we are working from home, but it may happen to you that you are not finding that motivation that you used to find a few days before, and you don't want to work, and maybe you are avoiding the work that you have to do. I basically had the same problem. In the months of April and May, I was suffering from this problem a lot because I was not motivated enough to even get out of my bed, and I wanted to do nothing. I just wanted to sit back, relax and just watch Netflix shows. I knew that this was wrong because I had to get up and had to do my work, which was pending for a long time, and all my work were piling up, and I didn't know how to be motivated enough to do those and finish those off. But I gradually realized that this is not the solution, and I tried to find few solutions where I can stay motivated and I can finish off my work. So I know how this feels like, especially in this crisis period. It is hardly a secret that the key to successfully completing one goal after another is motivation. If you are not motivated enough to do something, then it's highly impossible to finish that work off because you don't feel like doing that work, you don't feel like finishing off that work. But achieving our goals is seldom easy, and so when I was not motivated enough to get up from my bed, I realized that since this is not the solution, I have to find motivation somewhere else. So do you know where I found motivation? I found motivation within myself, which is called self-motivation. Self-motivation is very, very important. You have to find motivation yourself, and you have to work towards your goal. You have to work hard, and I know the steps are not easy, they are very, very difficult, but still you have to find motivation and you have to work. I can make your work a little easy by just telling you few steps which I am following these days in order to be motivated. So yeah, let's get started with this video. So the first way to stay motivated is to find some good reasons. Now everything you do has some good reasons behind it, right? And even if you don't understand or find out the good reason behind a particular task that you're doing, take out a few moments and try to analyze the task that you have in hand, and I'm sure that you will find some good reasons behind it. And if you find out a good reason, then you will be motivated to do that instantly, and that will help you to stay motivated. For example, if you have a work in hand which you absolutely hate to do, but try to find out and try to analyze some good reasons why you are doing it, and in the moment you find that, you will feel that yes, I am doing this for this particular reason, and the reason is good enough for me, and I am going to do this. So this is how I keep myself motivated if I don't like to do something. In this way I try to keep motivated. Few of the good reasons may be personal rewards, like someone else is going to pay you something in return of the work that you're doing for them, or you may learn something new from that work. That may be a good reason for doing that work. Or you may have some other kind of benefits from the work that you're doing. So these are the kind of good reasons that you may have. There may be other multiple reasons that you can have. Number 2 is create a clear vision. If you want to succeed in life, you must create a clear, compelling vision something which you can resonate to or you can relate to. Unless and until that vision is clear to you or you can relate to that vision or that goal, it is impossible to be motivated, because you can't even relate to that goal that you have in mind or relate to that vision that you have in mind. And if the goal or the vision doesn't speak your heart, then you won't be able to motivate yourself. And it is highly important that you create the grandest and the highest vision possible, because you're only able to achieve that which you see. So it is important that you create a clear vision. Number 3 is make it fun. Now, when it comes to motivation, attitude is everything. And try to make everything that you do in a fun way. Find ways to make any task or work interesting and fun, because if you make your work fun, then it will help you to finish that work off easily. And I know that there may be few tasks that you don't like to do and it's very difficult to make them interesting or funny, but still there are many ways in which you can turn your work into fun mode. And I think that will help you to stay more motivated and stay motivated for a longer period of time, and it will also help you to finish off the work earlier. Number 4 is approach tasks in different ways. For example, if you don't feel like this is the right way, or if you don't feel something is right about this particular approach, then always take a moment and try to analyze the situation and develop or create a new approach, which will help you to look at things better and also will energize you more to do the stuff that you want to do. And it's always a good thing to change your approach, because one approach may not work for you, the other one will work for you eventually. So taking different approaches is a very, very important point that I wanted to talk about. And always keep trying for different kind of approaches. You never know which one will work for you and will make the whole process much more easier for you. So yeah. Number 5 is reward yourself. Now this is one of the most important points that I've come across, and I do this all the time. Whenever I am stuck at some work and I am not feeling motivated enough, then I always reward myself. I stick to some plans and I always tell myself that if I accomplish this goal, then I'm going to go somewhere and have a cup of coffee, or maybe I will gift myself something if I accomplish this particular goal. This helps me to stay motivated for a long time, because rewards always makes us happy. And whenever there is a talk about rewards or talk about gifts, it makes us excited, and this is what you should incorporate in your plan. And you should incorporate the things that will make you happy. And when you're making the plans, as soon as the plan works out, always make sure that you reward yourself something. Whenever you reward yourself something, you are again motivated, and you will be able to do the next work that you have in hand. And your progress may not seem like to be like a celebratory thing for the other people, but it's your reward and it's your work. So do anything that makes you happy. So it's important that you reward yourself, because that will make yourself happy, and that is the most important thing, right? You should make yourself happy, and you should be happy about the fact that you have accomplished some goal, even if it's a small goal or small work that you have. The more you reward yourself, the more excited you will be about the process, and more excited you will be to accomplish the new milestones and new goals that you have. And eventually this whole thing will work out itself. So this is how you can also stay motivated. So yeah. Number 6 and the final point is visualize your results. Now, whenever you are not feeling motivated enough, always think about how you are going to feel when the whole work is completed. The utter sense of relief, excitement and happiness that you will have when you will finish that work will help you to motivate yourself and start doing the work then and there. I do this myself. I always think about how happy I will be when I'll reach that milestone, and by dreaming about the success that I'm going to have, I start working already. This is a very, very important and a very effective way. Always remember that staying motivated is absolutely in your own reach. Motivation starts from within. Find it, keep it and make it work for you. Always remember that you can do it. So that's it for today. Hope this video has helped you in some way. Hope you are liking my videos. If so, then please like, share and comment on my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, stay tuned till my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed and stay positive. Bye.